Crypto can seem incredibly overwhelming, but today we're cutting through all of the noise. We'll break down 5 essential crypto terms for you. No jargon, just clear and simple analogies to help. By the end, you'll finally get all of the basics. So, let's dive right in. Let's dive into the core of crypto. First up, blockchain. What exactly is it and why is it so important? Imagine a digital notebook, not just stored on one computer, but shared and copied across thousands of computers worldwide. Think of it as a global, decentralized record-keeping system. Every time someone sends crypto or any transaction occurs on the blockchain, a new entry, called a block, is added to this digital notebook. This block contains all the details of that specific transaction. Once a block is full of transaction data, it's sealed, secured, and linked to the previous one, forming a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Everyone in the network has a copy of this chain, so if someone tries to change a page or tamper with the data, it's instantly obvious because their copy won't match the thousands of others, and the change is rejected by the network. This makes the blockchain incredibly secure and transparent. No one can secretly alter the record without everyone else knowing. It's essentially a public ledger, open for anyone to view and verify. It's not controlled by any single person, government, or company, making it truly decentralized. The magic behind all of this? Trust is built directly into the system through cryptography and consensus mechanisms, not given to a bank or any central authority figure. Blockchain is the fundamental foundation of crypto, recording every single transaction permanently and immutably. And it's not just for money. Any kind of digital information from contracts to medical records can be securely stored on a blockchain. But for crypto specifically, always remember that blockchain is the unerasable shared notebook that keeps everything honest and transparent. There's no central authority dictating the rules, just code and math ensuring the integrity of the system. And that's precisely why it's considered revolutionary. It's the bedrock upon which the entire crypto ecosystem is built. Next up, let's delve into the world of the crypto wallet. This is a crucial tool for anyone looking to engage with cryptocurrencies, and understanding its function is key to navigating the digital asset landscape. Think of it as your digital bank app, but specifically designed for cryptocurrencies. It's where you manage your digital assets, track your holdings, and initiate transactions. It doesn't hold coins physically, instead it stores your keys. These are cryptographic keys that allow you to access your funds securely on the blockchain. These keys are essentially your password to your crypto assets. There are 2 main types of crypto wallets, each offering different levels of security and convenience. Hot wallets, apps connected to the internet, great for daily use. These are typically software-based wallets that you can access on your computer or smartphone. And cold wallets, offline devices like USB sticks for maximum security. These are physical devices that store your crypto keys offline, making them much less vulnerable to hacking. Hot wallets are convenient, cold wallets are safer for large amounts. They provide an extra layer of protection for your valuable digital assets. Many people use both hot for spending, cold for saving. This approach allows you to balance accessibility with robust security. Your wallet is your gateway to crypto, managing balances, sending and receiving funds. It's the central hub for all your crypto activities. It's your personal bank branch, debit card, and account statement in one, all accessible from the palm of your hand. Choose based on your needs, convenience or security. Consider how often you'll be accessing your crypto and how much you're storing. For daily use, go hot. For long-term storage, go cold. This will give you peace of mind knowing your assets are well protected. Either way, your wallet is how you interact with the crypto world. It's your portal to decentralized finance and the future of digital assets. Simple as that. With the right wallet, you're ready to start exploring the exciting possibilities of cryptocurrency. Now let's talk about the private key. This is arguably the single most important concept to understand in the world of cryptocurrency. It's the foundation upon which your digital security rests, and understanding its significance is paramount to protecting your assets. The private key is the most important thing you'll ever own in crypto. It's more valuable than any coin or token you might hold. Think of it as the ultimate key to your crypto kingdom. If your wallet is your bank account, the place where you store and manage your digital wealth, then your private key is the master password. It's the key that unlocks everything. It grants you complete and total control over the funds within that wallet. Anyone with your private key can access your funds. They can move them, spend them, or do anything they want with them. There are no takebacks. Once a transaction is made with your private key, it's irreversible. There's no help desk to call if something goes wrong. You are solely responsible. Never share it, not with anyone, ever, under any circumstances. Technically, it's a long string of numbers and letters, a complex alphanumeric code that's virtually impossible to guess. It's used to sign transactions and prove ownership of your crypto assets on the blockchain. Lose it, and your crypto is gone forever. There's no way to recover it without that key. Most wallets give you a seed phrase, also known as a recovery phrase. This is a list of usually 12 or 24 words that lets you recover your wallet if you lose your device or forget your password. Write it down and store it safely, offline. Never store it on your computer or phone. Your public address is for receiving crypto. It's safe to share this with others, but your private key, or seed phrase, is for your eyes only. It's the ultimate secret. Don't screenshot, email, or save it online. These methods are not secure and could expose your key to hackers. Guard it like your most valuable possession. Treat it with the utmost care and respect. In crypto, you are your own bank, taking full responsibility for your assets. And you are your own security, responsible for protecting your private key from theft or loss. Protect your key, protect your assets. It's the golden rule of crypto security. So, how do you get crypto? Enter the exchange. Think of it as a digital currency exchange booth. Swap dollars for Bitcoin or vice versa. Exchanges connect buyers and sellers, charging a small fee for each trade. You sign up, verify your identity, deposit money, and start trading. But here's the catch. If you leave your crypto on the exchange, they control it, not you. Not your keys, not your coins. For true ownership, transfer your crypto to your own wallet. Use exchanges to buy and sell, but store your assets yourself for maximum security. Exchanges are your on-ramp to crypto, but your wallet is your safe. Buy, transfer, secure, simple. That's how you take control. Finally, NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Fungible means interchangeable, non-fungible means unique. A dollar or Bitcoin is fungible, one is as good as another. The Mona Lisa is non-fungible, there's only one original. NFTs prove ownership of unique digital items, art, music, videos, even game characters. The NFT is like a digital deed recorded on the blockchain. Anyone can copy the image, but only one person owns the NFT. It's a public, unchangeable certificate of authenticity. NFTs create digital scarcity, something new for the internet. They're not just about art, they're about owning unique digital things. Think of NFTs as property deeds for the digital world. Blockchain makes it all possible. That's the power of NFTs. Blockchain, wallet, private key, exchange, NFT. These are the pillars of crypto. You've got the foundation to keep learning, ask smart questions, and join the conversation. If this helped, like and subscribe for more. See you next time.